What does it mean to truly respect someone? Is respect an abstract concept, or can it be demonstrated through our actions? Today, we delve into the heart of respect, exploring how it can be shown in our everyday lives. Respect, at its core, is about recognizing and appreciating the inherent worth and dignity of another person. It's a fundamental cornerstone of any healthy relationship, whether it's between friends, family, colleagues, or strangers. One of the most basic ways to show respect is through politeness. It's as simple as saying please and thank you, or holding the door open for someone. These small acts of courtesy can speak volumes about your regard for others. But respect goes beyond mere politeness. It also involves active listening, which means giving someone your undivided attention and showing genuine interest in what they have to say. It's about valuing their thoughts and experiences and making an effort to understand their perspective. Respect also means acknowledging others' viewpoints, even when you disagree with them. It's about recognizing that everyone has a right to their own beliefs and opinions, and that these differences should be respected, not suppressed. Empathy is another crucial aspect of respect. By putting ourselves in someone else's shoes, we can gain a better understanding of their feelings and experiences. This can help to foster mutual respect and understanding. Respecting someone's time is another important way to show respect. Being punctual for meetings or appointments shows that you value their time as much as your own. Keeping promises is also a form of respect. When you follow through on your commitments, you show that you respect the person you made the promise to. Respect also involves being mindful of others' boundaries. This includes respecting their personal space, their beliefs, and their values. Kindness, too, is a form of respect. Showing compassion, consideration, and understanding towards others is a way of acknowledging their humanity and worth. Appreciation is another way to show respect. By acknowledging someone's efforts, skills, or contributions, you show that you value their input and recognize their worth. And finally, treating others fairly is a fundamental aspect of respect. This means not discriminating against anyone based on their race, gender, age, religion, or any other characteristic. It's about treating everyone equally and justly, regardless of who they are or where they come from. In conclusion, respect is about more than just being polite. It's about recognizing and appreciating the inherent worth of every individual. It's about listening, acknowledging, empathizing, and being fair. It's about keeping promises, respecting boundaries, and showing kindness and appreciation. And most importantly, it's about treating everyone with the dignity and regard that they deserve.